Hello student, in this lecture we will see divergence and curl of magnetic field. Let us see, this is the system, this is the one system. Here J1, J2, J3, J4. The current density, this is made up of J1, J2, J3, J4 current densities. Consider region in space, the current following steady current. Here, this is the region, the current following in a steady current. Distribution can be described by the current density vector J bar is equal to J dash R bar. Let us see C be the closed curve. This is the closed curve C. In this region, by total current through the surface enclosed by the curve is I bar is equal to integration over J bar ds bar. Let us see. This is the closed curve C. In this curve, the I current will be flow. So total current I is equal to integration over J bar ds. I is a single current from in the surface. I is a single current from in the surface. So we know the related this magnetism and current. We know the Ampere circuital law. Ampere circuital law is equal to B bar integration over B bar dl bar is equal to mu naught I. This can be written as 1 and this can be written as 2. Ampere circuital law B bar dl is equal to mu naught I. Ampere circuital law. From 1 and 2 we can written as integration over B bar dl bar is equal to mu naught over double integration into J bar ds bar. This can be written as 3. We know the Stokes theorem. By using Stokes theorem, we will get integration over B bar dl bar is equal to double integration. It can be written as del cross B bar into ds bar. Line integral into convert surface integral. It is a Stokes theorem. It can be written as 4. Put the values in 3. We will get 4 value from 3 and 4. We will get double integration over del cross B bar into ds bar is equal to mu naught double J bar ds bar. So we will get this integration and this integration will cancel. This is double integration, this is double integration, so it will be cancelled. So we will get del cross B bar is equal to mu naught J bar. This is the vector form of magnetic field. This is the vector form of magnetic field, or it is also called curl of magnetic field. It is called curl of magnetic field. This is vector form of magnetic field, so it is also called curl of magnetic field. Now we will see the divergence of magnetic field. Let us see divergence of B bar. We want D dot B bar. Let us see, divergence of B bar is the flux of B bar through the surface S enclosing volume V is given by divergence of B bar is the flux of B bar through surface S enclosing volume V is given by divergence of B bar is equal to limit V tends to 0, double over integration, close B bar ds bar into V, which is the flux. B bar ds bar is a flux. It can be written as 1. Okay. Limit V tends to 0, closed integral B bar ds bar divided by V. B bar ds bar is a flux. We know net magnetic flux out or enter. It is a 0. Let us see. This is the magnet N and S. It is not entering or leaving. It is not entering or leaving the magnetic field. It is a closed. So B bar ds bar is equal to 0. B bar ds bar is equal to 0. So we will get divergence of B bar from 1. We will get, this is 2. From 1 and 2, divergence of B bar is equal to 0. So del dot B bar is equal to 0. This means that the monopole does not exist. Means entering, it is not entering or leaving. It is a magnetic flux out, net magnetic flux out or enter. Then it is a 0. Means entering is equal to leaving. Net magnetic flux is a 0. So del dot B bar is equal to 0. This is the divergence of magnetic field. Del dot B bar is equal to 0, and curl of magnetic field is del cross B bar is equal to mu naught J bar. Okay, thank you.